welcome back everyone. Hope you guys are having a great day today. And in this video we're going to be talking about my brand new 2020 Subaru WRX in the most popular color ever, World Rally Blue. And this is kind of, I guess you could say this is kind of the reveal video, so surprise, even though you already have seen it on my Instagram, which you all should be following right here, at PDX Cards. For those of you who don't know and want to just type away on Instagram and say, hey, I'm gonna give this guy a follow, so greatly appreciate that. But yeah, that's my new car. So in the last video I already explained that the GTI was unfortunately totaled, and that's the one I decided to go with. So far I've had this car for about a week now, and I bought it with almost no miles on it. So in the first week I already put 200 miles on it, but it's such a good looking car. I'll let you just take it in for a second. Just look at that. Look at that. Just a good car. Just a good looking car. But yeah, so this video is more of just a reveal video. I kind of already have a little mental list of what I want to do to this car slash what you guys should expect. In Subaru fashion, of course, I'm gonna do a big wang. Big wang gang is very important. I want to have a wing. I can't. If you see me doing this a lot, you know, I just really like the look of the car. But yeah, so big wang. Obviously, I want it to be over the roof. So that'll be awesome. It's just a good looking car, dude. This is a good looking car. But yeah, big wang gang. I want to do lots of carbon as well. Still stuck on what wheels I want. Definitely doing like at least a cat, or at the very least a axle back exhaust, just so I don't really have to worry about tuning it right off the bat. Wheels, tire, suspension, that's another thing I want to do. I want a nice set of coilovers. I want some nice sway bars. Like, I want some cool fog lights. I still have the yellow wrap from the GTI yellow fog video, so that has to follow over. And now that it's a manual this time, I've already stalled it like 3 times in the first week I've owned it, so that's another thing that I have to get used to. I wore blue to match. See, we're twinning, we're twinning. But yeah, carbon, and more carbon. If I haven't said that already, I just want a lot of carbon. Yeah, you go straight.
I'm a stupid person.
So this light, hurry up! I don't want to be stupid anymore. Okay, I'm not a retard anymore. So
I can't shift.
You go.
Oh God. This is a big truck. Just kidding, it's just a Tacoma. Just a Tacoma. God. That actually hurt. That like really hurt. I never choked on any fluid ever. And then that's the only fluid that Dutch. Obviously it's Dutch. Yay. Worst experience. Okay, can this Honda get out of the way so us fast guys can, I don't know, pass? Because it's a passing lane, not 60 miles per hour. Another slow lane. I'm going. Oh wait, you already went? Go fast, please. Go!
I'm going!
is actually going fast. Hey, buddy. I still have Dutch essence in my throat. Oh wait, let's get gas at the Chevron over here. If I do so insist. I almost had the mistake of like literally getting this car. I was like, regular schmegular. Wait! Wait, don't do it! Already full. Let me take a photo. Oh.
Looking sick.
Post that on the story?
You should get one.
Oh. Nice headlights. Sick. Oh. Hello?
Hey, going would be nice too.
I had to connect it. I don't want to hear it.